Hey guys, this is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. I want to show you a couple things. This is a perfect example of a homeowner roofing job. If nothing else, a non-professional job. So let's take a look, see what kind of issues we have. First, we got here, this is a plumbing vent. First of all, it's too short in case it snows. We want this vent to be able to breathe even in about 6 inches of snow. The other thing too, you can tell is they roofed right over top of the boot, and then they put some mastic around it trying to seal it. Here we got some nails right here holding this down. Okay, nail holes all over the place. Another thing here is we got quite a bit of moss growing, and I'll show you this other side, clogging up the valley. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some leaks or stains in the ceiling right above here, because this is going to dam up and not allow it to drain properly. Another thing that we'll point out here to you, obviously we got lots of debris on the roof, but this is the front patio added after the fact, and it basically has no slope to it, just a little bit. If you look underneath, you can see lots of water stains. It's actually wet, so it's definitely leaking. So these are just examples of some things you'll find on a home where the roof's not been installed by a professional. Very obvious to me that this is the case here. Probably the homeowner doing some work. Here we can see, again, 2 layers of shingles here. You can see that, some old shingles right there. Oh, here's another one. I almost forgot to show you this one. This one's the sidewall. There's no flashing. All they've done is used mastic to seal it. Again, we got some nail holes here. This nail's kind of falling back out. And another nail hole here. So this is definitely some information these sellers or these buyers are definitely going to want to know. Lots of debris. So something for these guys to know, obviously, and want them to make a good, well-informed decision on this home. So this is some repairs for sure that we're going to recommend. So sorry we ran a little long, a little bit over. This is a 4-minute home inspection. We'll see you on the next one.